Hi viewers, the stack can be used in different applications. So one is the stack can be used in the compilers. So compiler is one of the system software which is used to compile the programming language code to debug and compile the code from high level language into low level language. So when it is compiling, so it will parsing the data between the delimiters. For example, I may have import java.io semicolon. Okay, so here parsing means reading. The compiler is reading the programming language code word by word. So this is read by the compiler, so parsing the import word and parsing the java.io, and there is the delimiter semicolon. Okay, and also we may have brackets, okay, curly braces. Okay, so class name, we will start the class, then class name, and we will have the delimiters. So it should parse the delimiters perfectly, it should read the delimiters perfectly, curly braces, square bracket, parenthesis, so everything it should take care of that. So there we are using the stack and checking the balanced expressions. When we are writing the expression, we may have c equal to a plus b, then divided by c plus d. So here it should check the balancing. Okay, you look at here, we are first we are adding the a plus b because higher precedence, and adding the c plus d, then only we are dividing. Suppose if the same express is written like this, a plus b divided by c plus d, now the now if you are not using the parenthesis, automatically the operation will be, the precedence will be changed. So it should be correctly balanced the expression by using the parenthesis, that should be checked by the compiler. So there we are using the stack. And in artificial intelligence, we can use the stack in the graph traversal to find out the shortest path. By using the graph traversal, we can use the stack. And searching the networks and tree traversal, so here also we can use the stack. And recognizing the palindrome, so palindrome here, the string, suppose we are giving uh, amma, so when you are writing the in backward direction, right, that is also give the same word. So for this we can use the stack to check the given string is palindrome or not. And the next one is evaluating the algebra expressions. So suppose if you are having c equal to a star b whole square. Okay, so this has to be evaluated based upon the expression, right? So for this also we can use the stack to perform perfectly. So first we will see the reverse the string, that means given string is palindrome or not. So for that I am taking first one array, right, one string array. The string is having the string angel that is stored into the string array. So this string array will be converted into the characters, will be converted into the character array. So when you are converting into the character array, automatically this will be splitted into different characters. So characters are represented in the character array, another one array. Okay, we are converting the string into character array. So this character array is having the characters in memory locations. Then we are reading this character from the character array. So while you are reading, that will be pushed into the stack. Okay, reading the zeroth index value a and push into the stack. A is read from the array and push into the stack. Then we are reading the n. Okay, then we are reading the n and push into the stack. Then we are reading the g and push into the stack, right? Then we are reading the e, push into the stack. Then we are reading the l, push into the stack. Now the string is that characters are over. Characters are over. There is no more characters in the array, so we are stopping the push operation. Once the characters are over, now we are removing this characters from the stack and store in the another one array. So now I am declaring one more array. So the you assume this is one more array. So into that array we are popping the l, we are pop out the l, and which is stored into the array. So pop out the l and stored into the array. Then pop out the e, stored into that array. Then pop out the g, stored into the array. Then pop out the n, stored into the array. Pop out the a, stored into the array, right? So here you look at that, we reversed the string. When we have to stop, when the stack is empty, we can stop the pop operation. Now we are comparing this uh, characters and the input array characters. Okay, this is input array character, this is input array characters. So this is output array character. Okay, then you can convert this output array character into string. Convert this output character into string, right? So after converting into the string, you can compare both the strings. This is angel one input string, and we are checking is it equivalent to legna. If both strings are not matching, then automatically we can say it is not a palindrome. One application is reverse the string, and another application is just we are checking the given string is palindrome or not by using the reversing string. So this is the procedure to reverse the string. So here the algorithm is given step by step. First we are checking the stack is empty or not. Then given string is converted into the character array. Then push the each character into the stack. Then pop the each character from the stack and assign into the output array. Then that output array is in the reverse order, so that character array is converting into the string. That is the reversing the string. So here code is given. First we are taking the input array, output array, right? We are assigning the value into the input array. Then we are declaring the stack size that is equivalent to the input array length. For example, I am having the input array is having like this, right? Angel, then which is having 0 1 2 3 4. Size is now 5. That size is in assigned to the stack. So stack will be having size 0 1 2 3 4. So that is the meaning of that statement. Then here we are creating the one stack, right? That stack name is object stack. So this stack is called object underscore stack. Okay, with memory location of size, stack size is 5. Okay, then we are reading the data from input array, from the 0th location. So we are reading the data from the location by character by character. You look at that, character by character at location 0. A will be pushed into the stack. Right? Then again going back, iteration number 1 is having n is read now here, then push into the stack. So n is pushed into the stack. Then iteration number 2, I is 2, right? So now the character at location 2 is g. So g is reading, then push into the stack. Then iteration number 3. So 3 less than the length is 5. 3 less than the 5. Okay, so now which is reading the third location is having the E, so E is written here, so here is G, here is G, right? Then I is incremented, I equal to 4, so 4 less than 5, then fourth location is reading from the statement and pushing into the stack, so L is pushing into the stack. Now iteration number 5, 5 less than 5 is false, so it is coming out of the loop. Now we are making the output array is now making, so this is empty memory, empty. Now we are checking the stack name is object underscore stack, which is empty or not, which is not empty. Then if it is not empty, you can apply the pop operation, popping the L, that will be stored concatenation. We are doing the concatenation operation. Okay, output array is now empty, so now we are adding the character. What is the character here? L is adding here, L is popping out and adding here. Then uh, again we are checking stack is empty or not. No, still not empty. E is there. Okay, EG, four elements are there. Then it is reading the E, right? That E is added with output array, so this is the output array. Then E is added into here. Then again we are checking stack is empty or not. It is not empty. G is there, so G is popped out and stored into the output array. Then still we are checking stack. Yes, stack is not empty. N is there, it is popped out and stored it, and which is removed from the stack, and popped out the A, removed from the stack, A is stored here. So now we got the output string. Right, now you can check input string and output string. If it is matching, that is the palindrome. So here the stack is created with the class maximum size stack array and top element. So here initially top equal to -1, the stack is empty. Push operation by incrementing the top value every time. So here we are calling the push operation, so that method is declared there. Okay, push operation method is declared there, and pop operation method also declared there, which already we have uh, discussed in the earlier video, how this push and pop is performing. And returning the top element of the array, here this is checking the given stack is empty or not. So I hope you understand the reversing the string and checking the reversing the string is palindrome or not. Thanks for watching.